Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today we're talking about the latest Mozilla Firefox 148 update. Firefox is calling this update AI on your terms. And what does that mean? It means you now have more control over how AI works inside your browser instead of automatically pushing AI tools on users. Firefox now lets you enable AI features, disable them individually, or completely turn off all AI enhancements with one master switch. Yes, there is now a global AI toggle. Now, instead of forcing these features, Firefox allows you to choose exactly what you want. If you like AI translation but don't want smart tab grouping, you can customize that. That's the key idea here: control and flexibility. How to access AI controls. Here's how you can find the new AI settings. Open Firefox, click the menu button in the top right corner, go to Settings, look for the new AI controls section. Inside this panel, you'll see a master switch. By enabling it, all AI features will disable at once. Below it, individual toggles for specific AI tools. Just enable what you need and turn off what you don't need. After that, below, you see AI chatbot in sidebar. Here are all chatbots available, and you can set your favorite in sidebar. It has ChatGPT, Copilot, Google Gemini, etc. At the end, they have provided what the option mean. Available, you'll see the feature and can use it. Enabled, you've opted in to use the feature. Blocked, you won't see and can't use the feature. Do you prefer AI features in your browser, or do you plan to turn them off? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.